Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing all? I hope you're doing well. Today I came with another juice recipe. It's about skin glowing. Do you know a good skincare regimen begins with a healthy diet? Drinking fruits and vegetables juices is one of the easiest and best ways to get the maximum amount of nutrients. There are many juice recipes available to get a glowing skin, but now I'm going to do a skin glowing juice. Let's go to do the juice. Here I have taken to my skin glowing juice plum tomatoes, carrots, oranges and an apple. Plum tomatoes or tomatoes may reduce risk of sunburns. Tomatoes may stimulate collagen production. May help remove dead skin cells. Tomatoes are excellent vegetable for our skin. Clementines are rich in antioxidants which help reduce inflammation and prevent cellular damage caused by free radicals. Now the fruits are ready for the process. Let's start. Let me tell you a tip. Whatever the juice are you making, add just one apple with that. The taste will be amazed. Apples contain abundant amounts of elastin and collagen that help keep the skin young. Applying a mixture of mashed apple, honey, rose water and oatmeal can act as a great exfoliating mask on your skin. I really suggest you to have juices at least 3 or 4 times a week. You'll get a maximum amount of nutrients. The skin glowing juice is ready now. I hope you will do this juice after watching this video. Cheers! I hope this is a useful video for you and I'll see you soon. Bye!